how to enable two-step login with Authenticator app in Bitwarden. So it's actually easy. What you're gonna do is just log into your Bitwarden account. After you log in, click on these settings, the downward arrow. After I click on it, click on security here. After I click on security, click on two-step login. After you click on it, scroll down and then go to Authenticator app here and then click on manage. After I click on manage, enter your password, your master password, then click on continue. After that, it will prompt you to scan your Authenticator app. So whether you are using Android or Apple Store, so just go to your Play Store or Apple Store, then download any Authenticator app. You can use Google Authenticator, Bitwarden Authenticator, or any Authenticator app. I personally use Google Authenticator, but Bitwarden Authenticator is also available on both Apple Store and Google Store. So after that, log into your Authenticator app. Then you are going to see a plus icon at the bottom right. A plus icon. After you see that plus icon, click on it. Then you see the option to scan. Then scan this. After you scan it, it will automatically connect your as. Make sure you select the right email account that you use to register this account. This Gmail. Make sure you select it the right one when before clicking on the plus icon inside your Authenticator app. It's very important. Then after I select the right email account or Gmail account, then click on the plus icon at the bottom right, then scan this. After I scan it, it will automatically connect the Bitwarden and Authenticator app together. And that is it. Hope this was helpful. Kindly like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.